Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to hide your phone number from your Facebook account only from the phone and from your Facebook settings. Easy and simple steps. All you have to do is follow this explanation in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, I would like to thank everyone who supports me and everyone who subscribed to the channel. I ask God to get everything they wish for. Thank you very much. Now let's go to the explanation. The first step we do is go to our Facebook account. After that, we click on the three dots or the profile icon here. Then we click on Settings and Privacy. After that, we click on Settings, then we click on Personal Details. After that, we will find the personal details here again. We click on them. After that, we click on Contact Information. Here, we will find the phone number. We click on it. After that, we click on the people who can see your phone number. Then we click on Change the ability to see on Facebook. From here, you choose to view all, then click on Me Only. This means that only you can see your number on Facebook and no one else. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited from it. Inquiries or suggestions, we will write them in the comments. See you later.